Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this really nice Kia Stinger. This 2020 Kia Stinger. This is all-wheel drive GT line. This is a one-owner car, no reported accidents, auto check certified. Absolutely stunning Stinger. Just so much fun to drive. Turbocharged 2.0 engine. Got the nice alloy wheels, Continental tires all the way around, perfect condition there. All that hyper chrome around the body for the grills and the window surrounds and the mirror cap covers. Just an absolutely stunning, super cool vehicle. Love that Kia brought this to light, because it is just such a delight to drive. You would just love the racy feel, the performance, the handling, multiple drive modes, turbo GDI engine, full LED headlights, automatic. Look at these nice big grills to take in airflow. And then you got this powerhouse of a 4-cylinder engine, just absolutely stunning. And you got all the hood vents, and does a really great job of making this car so unique and really something different, and still retaining 4 doors, that practicality there, the really good fuel economy. So it comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless smart entry, push to start, full leather interior, smoke and pet free, just absolutely perfect. Still smells new inside. Comes with all the speaker surrounds and all the factory floor mats, ice cold AC, nice screen there with rear backup camera, HD radio. Like I said, the AC is ice cold, and then it comes with phone charging capability. Here you set your phone there, so you got wireless charging, and then you get USB auxiliary as well as Bluetooth. Automatic transmission, the multiple drive modes, dual heated front seats. You get the automatic start-stop system that you can turn on or off. And then just a really slick, unique interior, just really nice, well thought out, very sporty. I mean, this would rival anything that's just even way above this price point in this class of vehicle, so you're getting so many really nice features here. As you can see, that nice illuminated LED vanity mirror, full LED room lighting, and nice black headliner contrasting well with the interior. These unique door handles, as you can see, the brushed chrome, brushed nickel everywhere, and then you got the piano black finish across here. Really ties it all in together. So power options include windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. And then for the rear, we get more charging as well as full AC and center console fold down armrest, dual cup holders, split folding 60/40 rear seats. So the practicality of this car is just off the charts with being able to fold the seats down and having a full hatchback. Rear interior is just so unique. It's such a long car, so you get so much space. And then you get these quad tailpipes really giving you that sportiness. You're really gonna love that. The exhaust note and just the whole way that this vehicle drives all the way around is just an experience in itself. So it comes with the spare tire, tools, and jack. It's the GT line, so you get that full racing package there. That nice Stinger logo, slight spot fading there in the trunk, but nothing major. And then everything else looks really clean around the body. Like I said, this is a one-owner vehicle, no reported accidents, auto check certified. This thing's ready to go. This is what you would see on the front line of any major new car store. So the fact that we can offer it to you, very, very good bonus. Just some light spotting here with just some white discoloration on the seat, but it comes with blind spot detection in this one, power folding mirrors. So as you can see, the mirrors folding in each side. So again, a very nice, unique feature. Full leather steering wheel with paddle shifters and Bluetooth, cruise control, all of that. Full automatic headlights, LED. As you can see there, touch points really nice. And then 92,000 original miles, one owner miles, no warning lights on the dash. And then here, as you can see, you can change Sport, Comfort, Eco, Smart. So we have it in Comfort mode, and then as you can see here, Sport lights it all up red, and then Eco for the green. So you can change those drive modes. Really cool feature there, nice shifter here. Nice, it's kind of Mustang-esque, Mustang style, but as you can see here, the lines move with the steering wheel, so it can help you with the parking of the vehicle. And then you have your full apps. So the apps include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you got your radio, media, you got the full UVO system that you can connect your phone to, and so great features of the vehicle, diagnostic features, everything like that. And then you have your full LED map lighting, and auto dimming rear view mirror. You get the front camera system. So everything is working as it should. It's a super fun car to drive. Everything's all there. Even the key fob is wrapped in leather. It's just such a unique driving experience. So if you want something outside of the box, you want something sporty, but you still need practicality, and you want fuel economy and classic good looks, look no further than this amazing vehicle, this 2020 Kia Stinger GT line all-wheel drive. You can find this beautiful sports sedan exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.